Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Vibes fam, uno big up on yourself, uno big up on yourself. Thanks for the support and thanks for sticking around and growing with me. The support is greatly appreciated and I hope everyone is doing great and you know take care of yourself. So on today's menu, we are gonna cook up some baked fish fillet, yellow rice, steamed vegetables, and avocado. Yeah, and see the little ingredients them yeah, what we are gonna use for chef up our one pot. Yes, I'm gonna put some cock soap in the rice, nice it up. My little fish. Let's get started. So yeah, I'm gonna start off with my fish. So I'm gonna put some oil pan it. I'm gonna put it pan each and every single piece. Right? So rub it in pan the front and pan the back. And we add it to the whole of them. So this is going to help to keep it, moist, make it not dry out. So, by the way, me did say I bake the fish. So, yeah, so throw the excess oil into the baking tray. So after I'm done put the oil pan the fish, whatever I leave, I just throw it in the baking tray. So now, I'm going to put some garlic powder on the fish as well. So on each piece, I'll be sprinkling some garlic powder. And yes, may I come through with my all-purpose seasoning. So we're gonna season the fish all nicely. So you know each and every piece I gonna get some. So each and every piece I gonna get a piece. Yes, come through seasoning. And I don't know we say season up the food, season up the food. Make it all nice and yummy for our tummy. Love me a nice slice of fish fillet or two. But yeah, make sure you do each and every piece. Get some garlic powder. I mean, you know what? If you have your regular garlic, then I guess just chop it up, just mince it up, and then rub it pan it too. If you not have the garlic powder, or you just don't put no garlic powder on it. Remember, me always say we are gonna just do what we can do. We just do a little something. So if there's any ingredients you wanna see me I use and not have it, that's fine. Just is either wanna use something else or no don't use it none at all. Right? Me always say no judgment around here. We do things differently. All I would just try do something. We just try eat some food. So yeah, just make sure you season the meat though. Everybody have them all-purpose seasoning. Dash that pan it if I even that alone. And we'll cut and go through. By the way, guys, also another thing. If I'm not, because I'm baking something, let's say you feel for fry it, then fry the fish. Nothing wrong with that. Right? So yeah, some things when you see me bake, you can fry it if you feel for fry it. Right? So we just come up with something and yeah, just do what you can do and cut and go through, yeah. So yeah, this is my last piece of fish fillet that I'm seasoning. Yay! So yeah, now we're gonna work on the rice. So I'm pouring some water into my little pot. Boiling water, that is. And then I'm gonna put in my cock soap. Yeah. Guys, if you've never tried this, try this for sure. Listen, only have to use cock soup in there. See if a chicken soup you have, then dash the chicken soup in there. Yeah, use that one there. It doesn't matter. Use any one way you have. So I'm pouring 2 packs in mine. Everything will come out. I don't know my style. So yeah, stir it up. Stir it up. So you see, because the cock soup kind of, when you just see that big piece there, yeah, it clump up and thing when you throw it in there. So me just take a spoon and I try rub out the bottom, rub it out, like mash them out, get them all something there. Even though when them boil, them will mash out, but not all of them. So me try and use the spoon and mash them out. So I'm adding some black pepper, about a teaspoon of black pepper, and stir them up again. And yeah, we that cover it down, make it boil. So now I'm going to add my fish fillet to my baking tray. I just try evenly distribute the oil, yeah. So I shake him to the left, I shake him to the right. And then me I add a little more because it never really seemed to, enough. And shake him again. My oil run it over. Surely goodness and juiciness of the fish shall follow me. Yes, come true. Okay, so I'm putting some black pepper on my fish. Now you know me and pepper go because me have my children them. Me not like touch them pepper thing there with my hands. So that's why I'm gonna leave that for last. Just sprinkle some black pepper and then dash the fish on the tray. Line them up, line them up, line them up, me say line them up. Come true fish. Okay, so let's put it in the oven for 20 minutes. That's at 176 degrees or 356. So, see my rice here. So, I make the, remember me make the, oh my, the am I losing my mind? Remember me did make the rice pot, the water come to a boil. Yeah, I covered it for it to come to a boil. So now I am adding my washed rice. Why was that so hard to get out? Like seriously? So yes, stir it up. Stir it up and cover it down and simmer fish here after 20 minutes. You look so good. Check him out. Check him out. Wanna see the sizzling we're going there, so yeah. So not much oil no come from this, but we still a base, yeah. I don't know why me I use the spoon. I guess because my sister, yeah, because my sister not much oil come from it. Me I could just use my spoon and base them with the liquor oil or the liquor juice will come out of them. So go back in for another 10 minutes. And simmer rice there. So may I just stir it up. And then, leave it for make it go under the final simmer down. Them type of rice here just nice. Other than, every day just I cook a plain rice. You can put a little touch to it, with the cock soup or the chicken soup. So, yeah, I encourage if you never try it, please try it. It is, nice and different. So, yeah, try it, guys. Stir it up. And try, fix back the top. Cover him down. So here is my fish. Hi, fish. Look on the seasoning. The seasoning stand up on the fish. Nice. Nice. Yes. Yes. Bubble. Bubble. Bubble fish. You know not trouble. Bubble. Love it. And there's my rice. It's done. So cover that down. And make we work on some vegetables. That's so soothing to me. I said this tune already. I really like doing this. It's so soothing to peel the carrot. Yeah. So we're gonna work on, a little veggie, because we have to have a balanced diet, right? And if you not like eat your veggies, then me that tell you say you can blend them and drink them then. Try it that way there. But sometime too, I just make them really fine and cook them up in a whatever you cook. So that way they not really afraid just eat the carrot. So yeah guys, I'm going to be cutting the carrots in strips. I'm going to be doing my carrots two ways. I like doing it this way, or I did it this way because I give it to my daughter, so she like it, so she can hold it with her little hand and bite pan them. So I like doing it in strips, and then we're gonna see the next way when I cut it. And then I do it that way here. So yeah, but you can just do it one way. All done. And here we have it, Vibes fam. Look at this delicious spread. Yes, fish, come true fish. Yes, rice, come true rice. Yes, broccoli, I see you. Come true carrot, cause you look pretty. Hey, come true pear. Oh, avocado, come true ray. Hey, fish, no look good. Yes, and no dry, just well seasoned. Yeah, nice and seasoned. And guess what, guys? See the gravy on the side. So you just splash in some if you want it. Listen, Vibes fam, you guys need to try this recipe. When I say try it and share this recipe with someone, okay, guys? So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for hanging with me, and follow me on all social. God bless you. Please take care. And again, thanks so much for watching.